Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode at Wakarash Gaming. The idea for the video today came from the War Queen from Alliance SRA State 390. She reached out to me to share to all of you, and for this my thanks goes to her for this wonderful idea. This gorilla promises you after you finish this video you will never think of the HQ skin the same way as before. This video primarily focuses on the impact of the aircraft for rally leaders, support rally leader, and mini rally leaders. Imagine, this gorilla has been pumping up his muscles with HQ skins over the years he has been playing State of Survival. He thinks he's built up a moving impenetrable fortress. Then guess what? Civilization continued to evolve and the aircraft was created, with this bringing new mammals to the scene to challenge the old order. I'm now going to share with you some reports of my battles during SVS and Reservoir Raid. You will notice in these reports, I have superior troop attack thanks to the HQ skins that I've accumulated throughout the last few years at a cost of a kidney. In this report, my troop attack is easily 50% more than my opponent, whereas my other stats, primarily my health and lethality, are only marginally lower due to my aircraft only being a 4% in comparison to my opponent who has a 5-star aircraft. Well, I lost this rally, and the next, and the next and the next. I just kept losing rallies after rallies, even though at times my troop attack was around 70% more superior than my opponent. This was how this gorilla felt. I prepared a few more reports for you to review, but you get the point. Do you still think HQ skins are worth it? Well, you better grab that aircraft from here onwards.